Hi guys, it's Tiana Michelle here. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. So today I'm going to be cleaning out my closet, reorganizing it, and revamping it. If that's something that you're interested in seeing, then stay tuned and continue watching this video. So here I'm just giving you an overview of what my closet looks like. As you can see, it's pretty small for a walk-in closet. If you're new to the channel or if you've never watched any of my videos before, this is the smallest bedroom in my apartment. I gave my kids the bigger closet because they had more stuff. So I took the smaller closet. Right now I'm just taking everything, not everything, the majority of the things out of the closet, including all of my clothes and the area that I'm going to be revamping. I'm going to be using the Target shelf hack, similar to like the IKEA shelves, but I'm using the Target shelf essentially. So yeah, basically right now I'm just taking everything out of the closet. I'm going to clean it out, I'm going to vacuum it, and then make room for the shelf. Okay, so this is what the closet looks like, almost empty. I didn't take anything out because I didn't see a need to. I only removed the things that I'm going to be reorganizing. And I'm going to be using this shelf, like I said, from Target. It's $37. And then I use these three shelf organizers. I don't know if I got mine from Target or Walmart, but they both have it. And I had those shelves previously. So right now I'm showing you the rod that I got from Home Depot, and I also got a rod bracket, which I totally didn't need in the end. Okay, so here I'm showing you that if you unscrew the rod, it comes with screws already in it, therefore not needing the bracket. It came with 4 screws, so all you have to do is unscrew it, remove the screws that come with it, and then screw it back in. So that's what I'm showing you here. And then I had to really dig deep into these shelves since the holes weren't pre-drilled, so I had to use many different tools to try to drill these holes. And as you can see, or where you will see, that my pole is slightly crooked, but it won't matter because no one's gonna see it but me. I'm not gonna change myself just to make you fall under some spell. Rather be alone than be a shell. I'm okay being me. You say you don't judge and your friends all agree. They see you for you, but they don't see what I see. A narcissistic personality. Oh well. You think the world as you can see, the rod is slightly crooked, but it's okay. So now I'm just screwing in the other screw for the rod, and then after that I'm going to be installing the shelves that came with the shelf. It came with 3 shelves. I thought about getting additional shelves, but from the way that I organized my shoes, I didn't need the additional shelves. So now I'm just going to organize the closet the way I want it. I'm going to take those 2 3-shelf organizers and I'm going to stack them on top of one another in the closet, and then I'm going to install the Target shelf from there.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately.
Here's what the closet looks like with the shelves installed. It doesn't give me the best amount of space, but it is aesthetically pleasing to me. Right now I'm just putting the clothes back in the closet. I didn't want to bore you with putting all my clothes back in the closet. I need to get rid of some of my clothes, but that's not what I'm going to be doing in this video, probably in a later video. But yeah, the reason why I did is because the wire shelves kept falling apart, and I got tired of calling maintenance every time to fix it, so I put in the Target shelf. So here's what the closet looked like before, all unorganized, and then here's how the closet looks afterwards.
Someone tell me I'm doing better, life cannot be more golden. But honestly, I won't lie, sometimes I ask why I can't get you out my head. Now hard to forget that I really need to cut you off. You're always trying to lead me on. You're making all these promises and you'd always quit. You're just another hypocrite. No, I'm can't shake under who I
That is going to be all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and was able to get some inspiration from it, even though it was short. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.